The very life which vibrates in you, before you even start thinking why are you alive or why are you vibrating, there is a life vibrating in you. Before even you start thinking, why are you vibrating, why are you alive, that life is bliss. That source is bliss. Understand? Not having the trust over not only master or teacher, understand, I created a space and go on creating a space for a man to flower into the extraordinary trust, sometime as a guru, sometime as a father, sometime as a teacher, sometime as a friend, sometime as a mother. In so many ways, I go on creating a space for you to flower. You do not know. Actually, man doesn't understand one great truth. Your whole life is worthy of only one strong feeling connection with somebody, not even to guru or master or God, even to the friend or a spouse or anybody. If you have a strong feeling connection, trust on that person makes you stand up in your life again and again, makes you wake up in your life again and again, makes you feel that He is the source of your strength again and again. I can say, you can give your whole life, even then it will not be equivalent. I think all of you understand what I mean. If somebody gives you the experience that you are able to trust him, if somebody makes a space that you are able to trust him and stand up again and again in your life, I tell you, don't even bother about him. You having the trust is much more than your life. Your whole life is worthy of giving just for that. This trust on the master is always considered, especially by the Western mental setup, as a favor done to the master. You need to have a tremendous tapas to develop the trust, feeling connection with the master. Because just by casual words he will liberate you. That is too much. Deep trust and feeling connection with the master is the umbilical cord through which life is pulsating in you. Like how through umbilical cord the mother's life is pulsating in a child till the child is matured enough to breathe on its own, live on its own. Same way, The deep trust and feeling connection with the Master is the umbilical cord which is pulsating enlightenment in you till you become completely enlightened and start radiating it. If the umbilical cord is disconnected for some reason, before the child is able to independently breathe and live, what happens? Abortion. Baby dies. Same way, if the umbilical cord is the spiritual umbilical cord of the deep trust and feeling connection is disconnected before the person becomes matured and enlightened and starts radiating and sharing his enlightenment, that cord is disconnected, that is spiritual abortion. Whoever feels by having trust on me, they are benefited. I am doing a favor to them by creating a space where they can trust and grow. I thought, only let them have trust over me. Guru Droha is the worst thing. Like Karna trying to steal knowledge from Parsurama, telling a lie about his origin, as he knows. Actually, if you see the truth, Karna did not tell a lie. He said he is a Kshatriya. He is a Kshatriya because he is born of Surya and Kundi. So he is Kshatriya. But he doesn't know. As he knows, he is only a Sudaputra, son of horse driver. Charioteer. So, he did not reveal what he knows about his introduction. I think he told himself as Brahmana. Anyhow, some way he introduced which he doesn't know as he. Finally, in some situation, the Parsurama realizes he told a lie. Then Parsurama immediately curses him. At the moment of necessity, high important necessity, all the knowledge which you learned from me will be forgotten. See, this is the worst punishment. Actually, Parsurama killed Karna. Nobody else killed. The Guru Droha killed Karna. Because if Karna knows he doesn't have all these Brahmastra, all these Vidyas, he would not have at least had confidence and given confidence to Duryodhana and Bhishma and everybody, went to the war directly with Arjuna, face to face. At least he will know what he knows and what he doesn't know. So he wouldn't have gone to fight with Arjuna directly. His strategy planning for his fight would have been proper. But unfortunately, he had the courage and confidence. He knows that Vidya, knowledge, to kill Arjuna. But because of Guru Droha, when he entered, last moment, important moment, the knowledge was forgotten. Whoever has done Guru Droha Be very clear. At very crucial, important moments of life, when all this great knowledge and the experience and the truth which you received from the Master not only will not come to memory, suddenly will not be there. I am not Parasurama, so I won't curse. But this is the logic with which these truths function. See, when you have the umbilical cord connection with the physical mother, your body constantly gets energy, support, food, everything, and grows, gets more and more matured. Same way, when you have the spiritual connection, with the Master, all the words he utters becomes an alive click and experience in your inner space. It becomes a strong experience. But anything which has become experience through the umbilical cord, spiritual umbilical cord connection of the Master, continues to depend on the energy supply from that spiritual umbilical cord. Till he himself delivers you. Like at one point, mother's womb itself delivers you. It says, enough. Now you can breathe on your own, live on your own. Same way, Master himself delivers you. Come on, enough. You can live on your own. You can breathe on your own. If that happens, you will not have hatred towards him. You will have tremendous gratitude. All of you who understood having trust on me is the favor I am doing to you, not the favor you are doing to me. Understand? If you are clear, by letting you all to have trust in me, I am doing a favor to you. Not you are doing a favor to me by having trust on me. Whoever has this understanding, I bless you all. This sutra, Anandamayabhyasat, the source is bliss, will become experience to all of you. Now I am sending a strong energy through the spiritual umbilical cord to all of you. Whoever understands having trust on me, letting you having trust on me is the favor I am doing to you, not the favor you are doing to me. If you are clear about this one truth, I am telling you, I am sending you this strong spiritual energy through the spiritual umbilical cord. Let this experience, Anandamayabhyasat, happen in all of you. Source is bliss. You all will be in source, which is bliss. Bliss is source, source is bliss. I am not interested in cursing the fellows who got disconnected, because what more is there to curse? To serve ultimate, amazing devotion and respect from all kinds of people, intelligent, rich. And I have seen the worst things of the life, unimaginable defamation, imprisonment, illegal harassments. I have seen everything. I tell you, if somebody comes and asks me, Swamiji, give me most worthy thing happened in your life to me, one gift, I'll give you the trust, the feeling connection I developed with Arunagiri Yogeshwara or Raghupati Yogi or Kuppammal. I can say that is the most worthy thing I had in my life. That is the most powerful, subtlest flower, subtlest, greatest thing. I can say I can sacrifice anything for that. The feeling connection I had with Arunagiri Yogeshwara, I can sacrifice anything for that. All my identity, credibility, name, fame, money, bull, and everything. But I can tell you, I cannot sacrifice that for anything. I cannot sacrifice that for anything. So I bless all of you. And I have a deep gratitude. When Kuppammal, I know her as Kuppammal, she was not in the space in which I am now. Not only now, after my age of 12, the space in which I was, Kuppammal was not there in that space till she left the body. There was a period I was enlightened and Kuppammal was not. There was a period I was enlightened and Raghupati Yogi was not. But I tell you, my feeling connection and the tremendous trust on both of them was an amazing thing in my life, and I still cherish. And if somebody asks me the best thing happened in my life, and if they ask me that as a gift, I'll give this only to them.